Hi there, it's Mike with John Lewis Home. The other day I received a question and I thought, hey, this would be a great thing to talk about. So the question was, what's the distance from the back of the wall to the garment bar? Well, that distance is going to be 12 inches. The reason for that is if you use a standard hanger, it provides a gap so your clothes don't rub against the back wall, which could possibly cause damage. Now, with a 16-inch depth shelf or a 12-inch depth shelf, the bar is still going to always be at 12 inches. So when you're redoing your closet or upgrading your closet with John Lewis Home shelving, you don't have to worry about the bar. You just choose which shelf depth works best for your solution. So, if you're thinking about a closet project or any home storage project, please check out johnlewishome.com. Thank you, and have a great day.